How can you experience the world in a single day? Come to the award-winning Plano International Festival, Saturday, October 12th at Downtown Plano's Haggard Park. Experience the colorful cultures, food, art, dance, and music from Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Americas.
Plano is very diverse, and the Plano International Festival really showcases that diversity.
There's awesome entertainment and great food for everyone. The festival features continuous entertainment including music, vocal, dance, and acrobatic performances.
You have Korean dance, Japanese dance, Indian dance, Chinese dance, and then you have European dance, and of course we have a Texas dance too. Every culture is displayed here.
For the kids, there are educational hands-on activities in the Children's Global Village. An international fashion show will be presented on the gazebo stage. And of course, you won't want to miss the ethnic food court, a centerpiece of the festival.
We have over 100 cultures and communities that come out to participate in the festival, and I don't think that people realize just how many different cultures that are represented here in Plano.
There's also a serious side of the Plano International Festival with one of the largest naturalization ceremonies around. The Plano International Festival is environmentally friendly. 82% of waste generated from the event is diverted from the landfill. Our Zero Waste event was awarded the 2009, 2011, 2012, and 2014 City of Plano Environmental Star of Excellence Award. We're looking for sponsors. The festival offers businesses and organizations a wonderful way to showcase what you do while supporting our community.
I think it would be a great opportunity for them to get their name out into the community because there's so many people that attend the Plano International Festival, and that it'd be worth their money.
So save the date, October 12th, starting at 11 a.m. at Haggard Park in downtown Plano. Admission is free. For more information, visit planointernationalfestival.org. The world is in your backyard.